Did you know that phone calls convert 10 to 15 times higher than your online leads? It sounds like a lie, right? Without call tracking software, you're basically guessing where to spend your next marketing dollar. Take a look at Revolut. By moving to a data-driven system with CloudTalk, they saved over 40 hours a week by automating the data flow and gaining total visibility into their operations. But to do that, you need the right tools to bridge the gap between your marketing strategies and your sales reality. So today, we are breaking down the 5 best call tracking platforms to help you get the same level of clarity. First up is CallRail. It's a favorite for agencies because they are absolute specialists in marketing attribution. Their flagship feature is something called Dynamic Number Insertion, or DNI. When they call, the system knows exactly which campaign to credit. For 2026, they've doubled down on their conversation intelligence suite. It doesn't just track the source, it uses AI to scan the audio for key terms. But CallRail is a tracker first, so if you have sales teams that needs to make 50 outbound calls a day, you'll find that CallRail's actual phone features are pretty basic. Also, be careful with the pricing. While the base plan looks affordable at around 45 to 50 bucks, once you start adding AI transcriptions, form tracking, and premium integrations, that bill can easily triple. Now, Attribution is a great start, but knowing where a call came from is only half the story. You also need to know what's actually happening inside those conversations. This brings us to CloudTalk. To really win at call tracking, you need 2 things. First, total connectivity. While other tools charge you extra to sync with your CRM, CloudTalk lives inside it. The second thing you need is actionable intelligence. It's not just about gathering tons and tons of metrics. We believe that data is only valuable if you can actually use it to make decisions. To solve that, we've created a set of features we call AI Conversation Intelligence. They don't just track the source, they also summarize the call, score the lead, and even flag the mood of the caller. Imagine a VIP lead calls from your high-ticket campaign. CloudTalk recognizes them, routes them instantly to your best closer with their full history on agent screen. While your rep is focusing on a relationship, the AI is in the background scoring the lead's readiness to buy and detecting specific pain points. But look, I get it. Some of you aren't looking for a full-stack communication engine. Some of you want to keep it lean and only pay for the results you actually see. If that sounds like you, check out Nimbata. They've shaken things up with a pay-per-answered call model. They don't care if the call lasts 2 minutes or 20 minutes, you pay for the outcome, the answered call. This makes it a favorite for lead gen agencies who need to show their clients exactly what they're paying for. They have a lead value feature where you can assign a dollar amount to different types of calls. If the AI detects the caller as a new patient for a dental clinic, it assigns a specific value to that lead. The trade-off? Nimbata is a listening post. It's designed to sit on your website and observe, but it doesn't have the outbound horsepower that a sales-driven organization needs. Now, let's go to the other end of the spectrum. What if you aren't a team of 20? What if you're a team of 2,000 and you're dealing with millions of minutes of audio every month? Then you're looking at Invoca. It's designed for massive industries like healthcare or insurance, where compliance is a huge deal. Their AI is deep. It can analyze thousands of calls to find patterns like why people in the Northeast are churning faster than the people in the South. And all this power comes with a price. It's expensive. Their pricing is request a quote, which we all know means have your checkbook ready. Finally, if you're looking for a solution that's built for massive scale emerging markets, you should look towards the cloud-native experts. Ozontel is a powerhouse, especially if you have operations in India or Southeast Asia. They're all about agility. If you need to spin up a contact center with 100 of agents by tomorrow morning, they make it happen. Their skill-based routing is top-notch. The downside is the user experience. The interface feels a bit old school compared to the modern, clean look of CloudTalk CallRail. And while it's great for basic routing, it lacks those cutting-edge, no-code AI features that help sales team work faster, not just harder. So here's the bottom line. If you're a local agency focusing on US-only ads, CallRail is a great pick. If you're a massive global corporation with a huge budget, Invoca is your tool. But if you're a growing business that needs your phone system and your marketing data to finally start talking to each other, CloudTalk is where you want to be. Don't take my word for it though. There are links down below for a 14-day trial. No credit card, no strings attached. Just sign up, connect your CRM, and see the data for yourself. If this helped you to find your next tool, hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.